Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, Chapter 9, also known as Her Moon. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Pushiyu and Gu singing. After talking to the director, looking at her, Pushiyu was calling, senior sister. Well, definitely, the negotiation is really went through. Gu Xingyi accepted to be instructors. Pushiyu said to her, how about start working today? Now, looking at Fushiyu, she was really excited to be able to get her as a teacher. But looking at Gu Xingyi, seems to be a little shy. Suddenly, this girl again. A girl who's getting trouble all the time. Suddenly, she's approaching them. Now, they'd been cross-path again. This girl, she won't really stop until she teases Gu singing. Especially right now. She's been aware that Gu singing might coming back to the school. Now, Lin Yanke, whispering towards her, even you came back. Grifol still wants to be a chief. Oh, she was really bad, right? Instead of welcoming her right now, all she can do is to provoke her. Singing suddenly grab her hands. Well, right now, since Inyanke is teasing her, of course, she won't really back down. She wants to prove herself that she is capable of teaching them. From now on, I am the new choreographer of the dance troupe. For you, I would rather have a look. Oh, she was really brave, right? Right now, she really needs to confront her so she can able to tease her all the time she wants. It's been 4 years. How much progress have you been made? Singing is asking Lin Nyanke. Hearing this right now, of course, Nyanke. Singing, don't be so arrogant. Oh, she really started this. Now, she's really getting angry. Because of Gu Singing said to her, now she really can accept the fact that it was 4 years and she is not advancing or her capacity is still the same. Inyanke, is the entrance to the tutor office advise you to be careful with your words and actions. Oh, Fushiyu, now she's really getting angry. Feel free and be proud, good singing. If you mess with me, I can ruin your reputations at any time. Oh, that girl, she is really scary, right? She will do anything just to make Gu singing miserable. Well, back to Fushiyu and Gu singing already arrived on the studio room. Everyone was waiting. Turns out the troupe is practicing. Everyone seems to be confused. Who is the person accompanying Fushiyu right now? Well, they not know her. Of course, Fushiyu will introduce them. Right now, hey, let me guess it right. You were wearing such a beautiful clothes this morning, so there must be something going on. So this girl is her friend and now she's teasing her. Pushiyu, it really makes sense. Good job, Xiaoyu. You are worthy. What a beautiful lady. Oh, it turns out she really thought that Fushiyu was with the girl. She was with Gu singing. On their minds right now, Fushiyu. But I've already said it. We are not. Although she won't admit, but of course, she really likes Gu singing. Gu singing suddenly knows what's happening. Right now, she moved closer to them. Hello, I'm the new director. My name is Gu singing. The girl seems to be Foss. Well, definitely. She really got enchanted to the beauty of Gu singing. Good morning, Director Gu. I'm the deputy leader of the dance troupe. It can be considered that I had been looking forward to you. The positions of our dance troupe has been vacant for too long. It happened that we were just rehearsing and we work hard to guide us. Everyone is been welcoming. It seems that everyone is really accepting her. Well, maybe they got really enchanted of the beauty of hers. Right now, sister, I also have a play for this song. I'll change my clothes first and come. Fushiya said to her. Now she will go out to change her clothes. Looking at Gu singing, she was there, looking for the troupe. While they are practicing dancing, look at them. They really do well. It was Gu singing at this moment. checking their moves, everything so she can able to determine the problem. Dunghang dance is characterized by S-flow's rhythm, which needs to be balanced. Inclination by finding the center of gravity of the body. In the first row, the center of gravity of your dance movements is too high. Try a little bit lowering it. The deputy leader dancer, you are indeed very powerful. But you are too thinking about highlighting yourself. You and your dance partner are not formed to actions relationship. Oh, it really makes sense. Definitely, she is not the leader of the troop. That's why, look at her. They all really dress the same. Suddenly, she got fussed and looked back. Right now, it was Gu Xingyin who noticed her. There's a person outside the room, and she's going to enter. Turns out, it was Fu Shiyu. Said to all of them that she is ready. Oh, looking at her, she really looks gorgeous. With a dress like that, there's no doubt she is the leader of the troop. Right now, looking at her, she really mesmerized by the beauty of Fushiyu. Though, as expected, our chief is so beautiful. Director Gu, after dance, it's time for her to perform a solo dance. Xiaoyu is in the play. She is the singer of the western regions. And she leads the opening of everyone's dance group. Well, everyone seems looking at her. Xiaoyu, she was really good at dancing. For Gu singing right now, well, definitely going to correct. She's seeing a mistake, but right now, she's not moving, and she was only looking at her. Suddenly, the two of them looking at each other. It was Go singing right now, trying to move closer to her. Well, definitely, she really feels strange, right? Go singing said to herself that now Xiaoyu has grown into a veritable chief. Well, definitely, Xiaoyu. She was really good on taking a job of being a leader. Now, it really makes sense. Singing moved closer to her, holding her waist now. She's going to teach her. His actions, the hands goes up a little. Singing said to her, well, the two of them are really close. It was Fushiyo right now. It seems that she got really distracted. Go singing is closer to her, and now it really makes sense. Two of them are really blushing to each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!